Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be working on a kick, ban, and unban command for our Discord bot. So let's get started. First, we're gonna go into our cogs file. I'm going to create a new cog. This is gonna be called moderation. Moderation.py. And to save time, I'm just gonna copy this. Then we're gonna scroll up. We keep the app commands. We're gonna change this to be moderation. Sorry, I'm a little bit congested. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna these two lines. I'm going to delete this. Okay, I'll tap okay, and then I'm just gonna type in moderation. Pretty sure I do moderation. Okay, so we got the basic setup. Now we're going to work on the commands. So as I said, we're going to be using hybrid commands more often, as it's a slash command and a prefix command. So explanation and then hello or something like that. So we're going to use those two types of commands. We're going to do commands dot hybrid holy it's me at commands dot hybrid command, and we're going to make the name kick, because it's gonna be our kick command. You could add a description. I don't think it's gonna work, but there's no point in trying. Okay, description equals, and then we're gonna do kick wow, kick a member. I'm not in it today. Lately I've been doing school, so not multitasking. From transitioning from school to YouTube is not a task. So we're gonna create the function, but actually before that, we need to add permissions. We gotta check if someone has permissions. We don't want anybody to start using this command. Then we're gonna do add commands. Add commands dot has permissions. And this is a good time to look at the documentation. Right here, the documentation. Under context, you can scroll down to permissions, or has permissions specifically. Permissions. Okay, this is as close as you can get. So, okay, there's a command example, but I can't find it. Okay, right here. So, add Discord. So, add commands that has permissions, and then permission. So we can have anything here about the command, and then commands that has permissions, and then this is the permission. So at or manage command or manage messages, and then it's gonna be equivalent to true, and then now you can manage messages. So you can, if you were to, well, this example doesn't show you what it means exactly, but it's kind of like that. We go to this other tab I have open, and if I find let's do discord dot permissions. Okay, the closest discord dot permissions. Okay, right here, and it shows you a bunch of permissions that you could use. So for today, we're going to use kick members. We're going to get ban members, and I'm pretty sure for unban we use manage members. Okay, I'm not completely sure about that. But now we can go back to Visual Studio Code, and we are going to pass in permissions kick underscore. And if you don't get autocomplete, it's nothing you can worry about or you need to worry about. It's just an option here. But it also shows some parameters. It only shows an example. It doesn't list all of them. So we're gonna set kick underscore members to true. And then now we're gonna create the function. So asynchronize def, and then we're gonna do kick. We're gonna pass in self, ctx, and asterisk for this small start thing, and finally member. And to make sure this works, we're gonna do member colon, so member equals discord dot member, and now we can add a colon here. Now we're gonna do await ctx dot send. We're gonna make this an f string colon, or what we have to do first is await member. Oh, I think I forgot to add something right here. We're gonna have to add string or reason, which is gonna be a string. Reason colon string. Await member dot kick. Okay, sorry about that. So await member dot kick. Now we're gonna pass in reason equals reason. I'm pretty sure this is, I think, or right here we're gonna do I have or kicked, and then parentheses member dot med. Sorry, wow, my nose is not having it today. I member dimension, and then we're gonna do for reason. So for what reason? And then we're gonna pass in reason. When you use the command for the slash command, it's gonna have reason right here, and then when you type it in CT or use the prefix, I think it will also sort of give you the option. Not really. So for now, we're gonna run the bot, and hopefully it works. Okay, we are now in Discord. So if I use slash, we could go to YTBot and we see kick. First, I'm gonna do exclamation mark kick just because it's easier. So kick at Cody. So this bot test, and we're gonna say test. I think we do a space there. Okay. Maybe. I'm not completely sure how to do it with that. Okay, I'm just gonna do kick. Going to copy user ID. Okay, I don't know how to do it. Oh, so we're just gonna do kick. OD. I don't know. And it should kick him. Them. Okay, so I didn't code this right. We will be right back. Sorry about that. Okay, I believe I have figured it out. So I set reason to none, so it's easier. And I also figured out that it does not always work against Discord bots because I just guess so. Permissions, maybe, I'm not sure. But since I do not really have a account to test it on, I'm not completely sure if it works. But I could get an alt account. Maybe next episode I'll make like half episode to test. Right now we are going to work on a ban command, and that's pretty simple. It's like basically the exact same thing. Just copy and paste exact same command, and replace this ban. It's like a matter of copy and pasting. Ban. 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 And so this way. It's muscle memory. Yeah, I press it. Oops. Okay. Bad reason and so I think it is good to go. I think it's ready. You can run the bot and it should run. I'll be right back. And I also figured out that the reason why I wasn't working earlier is because I was using this command instead. Well, it's working with slash command, and I was able to kick the bot with slash commands. I just messed up this one because I was using this command. This was another bot I was testing. So we are going to do @ban, or no, instead we're going to do /ban. Okay, I'm trying really hard to not mix this. Okay, so we didn't see anything. It says sync 3 commands. I don't see no 3 commands. I'm just observing. Maybe swap chats. Yeah, I'm just gonna run and rerun the bot, reboot it. I'll be right back. Okay, so the command is finally loaded. Now we can use /ban for specifically here. Cody reason, and it bans him for being a W. I'm gonna unban the bot. Unbans right here, and then I'll go back, add. I'm gonna try exclamation mark @ban. I don't think it. Oh, it actually worked. Okay, well, now that we got a kick and ban command working, let's actually, before we move on, let me test if kick works properly. And we're going to add you back. Thank you, me. Select up test. Scroll down. Do kick OD. And it's kicked. Can I use commands? Kick add. Okay, it doesn't work with reasons, but it still works without a reason if you want to get away with bandit kicking or banning something. But we will be right back with our unban command. Okay, I'm back. I have created the unban command. So I created a hybrid command. I named it unban. The description is unban a member. And then for banning and unbanning, it uses the same permission, so ban members. So ban member has to be equivalent to true. So commands dot has permissions dot, or an attribute and underscore members. Then we're gonna do forgot this unban. So async define unbanned, and then we can pass itself ctx asterisk member :discord member. And then we're gonna do await.ttx.guild unban. Since the member isn't in the server anymore, it won't work like that. So we're gonna have to do member. So we're gonna use the user ID and unban it from the guild or the server. So let's go in and test this. Okay, so it says it has synced 4 commands. Now I can open up Discord, scroll down, and I can type in slash and Cody reason W. And now we have banned Cody. Now we can grab the more. We'll go to at Cody, copy the app ID, and then we can do slash unban unban. That we could type in, or if they are right here, but I'm gonna use the ID to test. Paste in that ID and press enter. Okay, can we do? I'm not sure why it's not working, but I can ban paste ID. Okay, I think I messed up the command. I'll be right back. Okay, I am finally back after I have fixed the unban command. So what you do is you replace member underscore ID, and we're gonna set this as an integer. Then we're gonna create a variable called member equals await self.bot.fetch user underscore user, and then member ID. So this member ID. Okay. And then we're gonna do await ctx.guild.unbanned members right here, and then we're going to do await ctx.send unbanned member.mention. So let's run this inside. Right back. Okay, we are back. Now, if I were to ban the bots or the test, we're going to do slash or underscore unban. We're going to right click here and copy user ID, paste it right here. And we are going to unban here. And to test that it works fully, we're going to do ban slash ban. Yeah, right here. Oh, you have to unban. You have to add code back. My bad. We're going to go up here. This. Scroll down. And now finally do ban Cody. And then we could do slash unban member ID. Okay. Okay, for some reason it does not classify this as an integer, but I think today, as long as you have the prefix one, it should work. So thank you for watching today's video. Sorry this video ended up longer than expected due to so many errors and not planning ahead. Please like and subscribe to today's video as I would like it. And I hope you have a good day or night. And bye.